Okay, so we just got our RV from up north. We're gonna prep her.
Getting her all cleaned up, getting her pretty, so we can go out and get it dirty in the desert.
I'm making the bed. We're gonna vacuum. She hasn't had a good vacuum in a minute. And then we're gonna just finish packing everything else up and go. So I did a horrible job updating the day. We are now camping. Everything's almost unpacked. We're camping with some friends. They have some dogs. We have our dogs with us, and yeah. Leva, how excited are you to be out here now?
Soup's stoked, bruh.
What's the plan?
You know, a little camping, a little drinking, a little more camping. Wake up in the morning, do some riding. What we do. What we do. How cool that's them, they're behind us. And then they pull up, they're like, you guys good? I was like, oh wait, that's not them. That's not them. Yeah. Okay, then they did that loop right there. Pretty neat, huh?
Kind of scary, actually.
People actually come and sleep in here. So this is an old fridge here, an old propane fridge.
Oh.
Pretty neat, huh?
Yeah. This actually gives me the creeps.
What does?
This whole setup.
The whole porch and everything?
Just the whole thing.
It's kind of neat how we built it into the side of the hill, though, so we could use the earth as natural insulation, but also it would stay cool because it's underground.
Sunday. We're gonna be here one more day. Hi. Johnson's still outside. The dogs are out here, the baby's out here. It's a nice day. It's very windy. Sophie girl. Going to probably go for a ride later. Just hang out at camp. That's kind of what we did yesterday. We just went for a ride. Michael's best friend came up, went for a ride with him, a night ride. Yeah.
What was this?
That's pretty cool. Look.
Yeah, this is the smell.
He's like, nope.